Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, my name is Miss Parker, and on this channel we vacay. Don't mind the stuffiness. It's February and that bad flu that is going around, yeah, I caught it. But nevertheless, my birthday was January 25th and I still wanted to celebrate. Of course, by now I must admit my favorite side of the island is Negril. The west side of the island is so beautiful, and this time we stayed at Riu Palace Tropical Bay. If you had Riu Tropical Bay on your list for all-inclusive hotel in Jamaica, you might want to stick around and watch this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So of course, we're going to start off with the room tour. It's your typical Riu hotel. Of course, we have a nice clean space. This is the Palace Hotel, so it offers room service. Of course, you're at a Riu hotel in Jamaica, so that unlimited access to rum or liquor is there. And the view was immaculate. Did not get an ocean front view, but we still get a bit of the ocean. Now listen, I was sick for most of the stay. Yes, I went to the hotel and I was not feeling 100 until probably the second day. So most of what I'm going to show you, it will start from about the second day of the stay. I want to add the staff were amazing, especially the staff at the buffet. Also, for the entire time while I was there, I ate at the buffet. I had no energy to reserve a restaurant. I just got up and, go down for dinner whenever, whatever time I had the energy. One of the biggest highlights of my trip is when I came off property and I explored Negril a little bit. This was my first time really exploring Negril. Negril is popular for their 7 miles beach. 7 miles of beautiful white sand beach. One of our first stops was at Kuyaba. Kuyaba is a family-owned beach boutique hotel located on the 7 miles beach. This hotel definitely gives the tropical highland vibe. While we were there, we also saw the spirit Charlie. Wagwan Charlie.
Oh, gee. Think about touching me.
The aesthetic of this hotel was definitely beautiful. You don't have to be staying at the hotel to go to this hotel. There is an open restaurant and bar for the public, and you can also interact with Charlie and Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Hey. Rick's Cafe is the highlight of the day. Got here very early, just as it opened at 12. And let me say, Rick's Cafe is beautiful. It's a beautiful view. And I just love to see the excitement of jumping off a cliff. These two did it and it looks so fun, though I'm not brave enough to do it. So if you like a little bit of adventure, maybe jumping off a cliff, Rick's Cafe is definitely what you should add to your itinerary while you're in Negril. And the views are just amazing, and there's a lot of photo opportunities. The best time to be at Rick's Cafe is closer to the sunset, but if you just want to chill for lunch, you can definitely stop by. We got back from Rick's Cafe. We decided to just go ahead and do some birthday festivities. We didn't get a chance to do when I was feeling sick. Not a fan of real room service, but the only room service that makes sense is breakfast. Riu Tropical Bay sits on a lovely stretch of beach, beautiful white sand and crystal clear water. love it when hotels have places you can go to chill. Sometimes you're not in the mood for the beach nor the pool, but you just want somewhere to chillax and have some snacks. Riu Tropical Bay has the lounge 24. I believe it's open 24 hours, so even in the middle of the night when you're feeling a little bit pecky, you can come down and get yourself some snacks. It's all self-serve, and they have this really cool cafe area where you can get your tea or your coffees. Little nice lounging area is the daiquiri or the cappuccino. So the daiquiri is a bar in the lobby, and the cappuccino is a cafe also located next to the daiquiri in the lobby. And there you can get your coffees. You can also get pastries. My husband loves their scones. Aside from the first day being sick, I really enjoyed my birthday stay here at Riu Tropical Bay. I am grateful to God that I'm able to live to see another year, and I'm able to celebrate it with my husband again. Riu Hotel is one of my favorite hotel chains in Jamaica, and I will highly recommend it at any time. Riu Tropical Bay gives a laid back vibes, somewhere you can relax and still have fun. It is family friendly with amazing staff and good entertainment. Let me know down below if your next visit to Jamaica would be in Negril, and would you be staying at Riu Tropical Bay. Thank you so much for watching. As always, remember to leave a like, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comment section. One love as always. God bless. Bye.